follow them, you know?
分转机都是这样子，一分钟都插半只这样。
你让他不。
Okay. Careful niya. Slowly.
Well, I want to go down. Look, it's good. But, Daddy, if they go to the boat later,
Huh?
if they go to the boat, Dad,
It's okay. After this, we're gonna eat there.
because there's a need to follow, you know? This was so dangerous. Yeah, big something high them. It's like in America. Yeah, but America is not high. It's only for the playground. Okay. And Sapa, because you know, if it has the highest region, it's too long. Far. And then Sapa, you know? Yeah, I'm so scared. The longest. Oh. You head down. Camera down. Wow. It's so tough. Left we need to go down. I'm so scared.
No, don't be scared. Hold me.
Daddy lock. We have to go, Dad. Because how can we go home? Yeah. This is so far. You're going too far. You're too high. Yes, because we're gonna fall. Look, because I didn't scared. Wood. I don't want that safety. I'm gonna fall. You want to fall? Yeah. I don't want to fall.
Oh.
Careful. Go this way. I'll go this way. Let's go. This way. So scared. I'm scared of heights.
Mais on a compris ça, Clara.
We almost near. Oh, this is so big and huge. We're gonna walk on the rock also. What did that fall?
Wait. Wait, ate. Wait. Stay.
Scared.
Go.
Look, it's like we're almost near. But we're already near. Look. The view. The big. The view. So big. So big. So big. Ah! Get high. You scared? Yeah. I'm scared of heights.
Don't be scared, we're here.
What is getting that?
You see? It's dark and
Let's see the boat.
here.
I want to go up again.
Bah. Go up. Be careful on the rocks, huh? Just stay with me here. Hey, come here, Sak, come here. Dali, I'll take your photo here.
That was
Stand,
our boat, Dad.
stand here.
Ooh,
Similan, say Similan.
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 Mira, if you sleep, wait. Come here.
So high.
Come here. Look here. I told you. Dali.
So focus one.
Ah,
Let's
go here.
go this way, Dad. This
hawakan mo si Mira.
Don't move, ha?
O dito mas maganda mag-picture, dito tayo, oh. Tayong tatlo.
I want to take a picture. Wow.
Here.
What is someone?
Dali kami yan. Don't be shy. Din. Look.
Say danger.
Similan. Say hi, Sak.
Hi.
Let's go. Slowly. Huwag ka magmadali. Sabi ng ay.
Slowly go.
Mira, hold. Here.
Doon tayo. Okay lang. Gandahan na. Magtanggal ka ng tsinelas kung naano ka.
Ano? Wala.
Hindi naman basa eh.
Don't move. Just walk slowly.
Wait, on the side. Hold on the side. Sa, dali. Yan.
Daddy wants to go down.
Ito na yung pinaka ano.
Mira, slowly.
Utang,
You need to look on your way, not
Hey,
around.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Sa, are you sure you want to swim for she will not eat?
Eat first.
You eat quickly.
Okay.
You happy?
Yeah,
You see the turtle or no? Ate, see the turtle.
I see.
You happy?
Yeah.
We have one more swimming later. You pray that have turtle there.
Oh. Scared of falling.
Dali, Granny is there. Joke. You happy, Sak?
Yeah.
You see a lot. You see the jellyfish, you see the fish. I see the fish under.
Yeah.
But I got too much jellyfish, so I go up.
You get used by a jellyfish always every single day.
Ne, time check little bit.
I don't wanna share.
Ne, time check little bit.
Nasa yung cellphone mo.
Wait. Time check. 12:80 na, may oras pa tayo para kumain. Kain tapos lang, oy.